Today we have come to one of the most talked about barbecue spot in Dubai, serving Indian and Pakistani flavors. And if you're desi like me who crave desi flavors right here in Dubai, then this restaurant must be your ultimate destination. Have come to Karachi Grill located in Jumeirah. It's famous for serving authentic taste straight from the streets of Karachi. It also features some Indian dishes. This restaurant brand has positioned itself into serving some amazing Indo-Pak dining experience. So food like chicken kadai, biryani, palak paneer, kebabs and so many grill options are popular highlights here. So let's head straight inside and dig into some serious desi food. Come on. Look at that, how beautifully Karachi Grill is standing out with its lit facade, warm lights and a welcoming vibe that draws you in instantly. And the location, you can't miss, it's right opposite the iconic Burj Khalifa. So while the world's tallest building towers in the background, you're stepping into a place grounded in rich culinary tradition. And you know, Karachi Grill is part of the legendary Karachi Darbar group that's been serving authentic Pakistani and Indian flavors since 1973. The ambience here blends traditional and modern beautifully just as its menu. Seating with desi touches, copper tableware and a great place to have premium dining experience with friends and family. And right now they have some special mango dishes in its Mango Mania season. They served us this welcome drink and some papad. This is orange juice and had pulse in it. It's a kind of simple touch that instantly sets the tone for a great meal. Our first set of appetizers have arrived. From there, so many set of chicken grills, salads, soups and starters and so many options. We opted for the manchow chicken soup and there is papri chaat. Presentation is lovely. So they use the dry ice. They place the papri chaat over the bowl that had dry ice in it. So here goes my first bite of this papri chaat. It's loaded with farsan and pomegranate and lots of curd and veggies like cucumber, onion and tomato. It turned out to be a messy bite. That mix of yogurt, save and crispy papri was spot on. I feel if it could have more of chutneys and veggies in its stuffings. And then I went for this piping hot chicken manchow soup that had perfect aroma of soy and garlic. With the manchow soup they have given the sauce variants. There's vinegar, soy sauce and honey sauce and of course the noodle fritters. I'm not gonna top in because I like to eat separately. It's not spicy, so I'm gonna add some spices on it. This soup is thick, flavorful and loaded with shredded chicken and veggies with a perfect hint of spice, sauces and garlic. And if you like it more spicy, just add on like I did. Every spoonful of it is so satisfying. With that crispy noodles is an added crunch. और साथ में ही आ गए थे ये स्टार ऑफ द स्टार्टर्स. इट्स मलाई बोटी. साथ में इन्होंने लिए थे ये दो टाइप के सॉसेस, ग्रीन चटनी और एक स्वीट चटनी है. साथ में इन्होंने हमें दे दिए थे ये अपने सिग्नेचर ड्रिंक्स. इट्स मैंगो पैशन मोहितो एंड दिल तो पागल है. मैंगो पैशन इनका मैंगो मेनिया सीजन में चल रहा था तो वी ऑर्डर्ड इट. एंड लुक एट द प्रेजेंटेशन अगेन विद द ड्राई आइस. The texture of its barbecue looks amazing. They served it with french fries and topped with mayo. And here goes my first bite with mint chutney and this sauce. It's juicy, the marination looks rich with malai and subtle spices. It's smoky, it's creamy, just melted in my mouth. It's not spicy at all. This one's for those who like creamy barbecue over the spicy stuff. Now I'm going to try these amazing looking drinks. One is the mango passion mojito, other one is Dil To Pagal Hai. Dil To Pagal Hai is the pink one. Both are fruity stuff. मैं try कर रही हूँ Dil To Pagal Hai. It's made of strawberry and raspberry and tasted very sweet. The other is the mango passion mojito. It's made of mango and passion fruit but tasted very sour. बहुत ही खट्टा लगा मुझे. Sweetness थोड़ी कम थी इसमें. Presentation, taste and quality of these drinks are amazing, so I'll give them 8. यहाँ सर्विस इनकी इतनी अच्छी, इतनी फास्ट है कि देखते ही देखते आ गया था ये हमारा मेन कोर्स. इसके बारे में मैं अभी बताती हूँ, बट द प्रेजेंटेशन अगेन इज़ हैंड्स डाउन वेरी नाइस. और साथ में ऑर्डर किया हमने ब्रेड्स में रोगनी नान. रोगनी नान इज़ फिल्ड विथ सेसमे सीड्स, जो कि तिल होता है. देख लो, ये है पाकिस्तानी स्पेशल मेन कोर्स. तो मैं अभी इसका खुलासा करती हूँ और ये ब्रेड तो बहुत ही टेम्पटिंग लग रहा है. So next we have ordered from the main course. We got this गोश्त मटका and as you can see पूरा मटके में बना हुआ इसका जो मटका फ्लेवर है वो गोश्त में आएगा. So let me just open this roti and show you how this curry looks like. Oh, look at that. So creamy and rich and full of spices and gravy. रोगनी नान, ये गोश्त का पूरा अच्छे से ग्रेवी के साथ उठाऊंगी मज़ा. आई कैन स्मेल द फ्लेवर्स ऑलरेडी. So good. The meat here is slow cooked to perfection, falling apart with just a spoon. As you can see, the gravy is thick, rich and full of flavors, full of bold desi spices that have soaked deep into the mutton. And the clay pot adds the beautiful earthy aroma. This is the best I had till now here. Traditional flavors in every bite. Definitely a must try dish over here. I would highly recommend you guys to try it if you'll be visiting Karachi Grill next time. Absolutely fab, loved it. 10 on 10 for this dish. And just when I thought the meal couldn't get any better, out comes the mango milk cake. Just look at that vibrant color and mango toppings and cake soaked all in the syrup. This is the best seller from their Mango Mania season, and the presentation absolutely stunning. Of dry ice, the fog rolling in, and I'm instantly tempted. Look at that. It's soft, milky and melted the moment I took a bite of it. The mango flavor is so fresh and not overly sweet, just the right balance. Every spoon is rich, creamy and refreshing. Perfect ending to the perfect desi meal here. And if you're a sweet tooth too and visiting here during mango season, this mango milk cake is a must try. And this milk syrup is so chilled, so cold, totally refreshing. I was totally full after this. So that's it from Karachi Grill. Let me know in the comments which food got you more drooling, and if you're desi just like me, let me know which is your go-to desi food. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and turn on bell notification for more food adventures to come. Until then, I'll see you next time.